Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Look at that. It's been such a good day today, and when you get to see cars like this, it just makes it worth getting out of bed and coming to work. But yes, a FD2 Civic TypeR on the dyno, and we're about to strap it down and do a stock power run before we start tuning. So, beauty, here we go. Behind me is a beautiful FD2. It's powerful, it's gorgeous, and to keep it powerful and to keep it healthy, it's oil. Yes. So if you need oil, go to worldoflubricant.co.uk, pop in dyno at the checkout and save yourself a load of money. Winner. What a beautiful car, Richard.
Yeah, I like these, to be fair. You just don't, well, you don't see many of them, do you?
You'll see one if I ever grow up, because I buy one.
Because you buy one?
Yeah.
Well, it's not happening then, is it?
Really? No, it's not. I really like this car. It's really nice to look at. Engine bay's all tidy. It's got some good mods on it. What mods has it got?
Solid fab manifold, the super silent exhaust,
Hybrid racing
induction
kit on our website.
Yeah, and I think that's about it.
Yeah,
I think we finished on 245, which is really impressive.
It's nice. It's nice that we've seen this car when it was stock, and then we've seen it today after he's tuned it, after he's modified it, and then we've tuned it. So it's nice to see that progression.
Yeah, I think 40 brake horsepower in the mid-range, which, like we talked about earlier on the previous EP3, where are you getting an NA car make those sort of gains in the mid-range? So
K20 for the win, my brother.
Yeah. So we made power everywhere, even at the very, very low end, but obviously for 4,000 onwards, we made a good 40 brake in that mid-range, and then we made some peak power as well. The limiter on these is very, what I would call a soft limiter. It just goes, it rolls over, whereas at least with now with the Ecotec stuff, you get a pop, 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 you get a decent, a much better limiter.
Sounds good.
And stuff like that. So,
yeah, so mapped up on Ecotec software like we would an FD2.
Yeah.
Really responsive, lovely. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that will drive completely different on the way home for sure.
Yeah, it will.
Should we have a look at that graph?
It's a nice place to be in here, I think.
They are nice. I can't get my mind around the dash. I don't know whether I like it or dislike it.
See, I really like it.
I like the outside of the car, I love. The inside I like because it's 4 doors, 4 seats. I like that. But I'm just not too sure about the dash.
Yeah.
For me.
I really like it. So if anyone's giving one of these away, I'll have one. Richard doesn't want it, but I'll have it. Yeah, good.
I just said I didn't want it.
I know, all right. Okay. Right, brilliant. Let's look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
So as our Richard puts it out into the sunshine, say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Massive dollop in the mid-range there, and finishing on 245 brake horsepower, 209 at the wheels. And what a lovely car for a lovely day. Oh, look at it, stunning. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end of it. Please do like and subscribe and all that jazz. If you need us, if you've got an FD2 or an FD2 or anything very similar, give us a shout. We've got all the mods. We can maintain and service them, and obviously we can tune them. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
Will do.
Give us a wave.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.